Meaning of Grand Slam.
Grand Slam.
Grand Slam.
Grand Slam.
Grand Slam. Grand Slam is a term used in various sports, including tennis, golf, and rugby. In tennis, it refers to winning all 4 major tournaments: Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon, and the US Open. Winning all 4 in a single calendar year is called a calendar year Grand Slam. In golf, a Grand Slam is winning all 4 major championships: the Masters, the US Open, the Open Championship, and the PGA Championship. In rugby union, a Grand Slam is when a team beats all other teams in the Six Nations Championship. A Grand Slam is the pinnacle of achievement in any of these sports, a rare feat accomplished by only a select few over the years.